seems the celebrations were a bit premature because she's broken down. I was on my way to see my dad. I was just heading down the motorway, and then she started to lose power. So I pulled her onto the hard shoulder, opened the bonnet, had a little look, and the fuel filter was absolutely caked again. So I've managed to just use a piece of pipe that was sitting in the car, and I've just wired that in just to get her to limp long enough to hopefully try and get back to my mate's garage. That's Dale's Autos. And I managed to get as far as Tong, so it's not too bad, not too far away for them, hopefully. I'm hoping they'll be able to bring me up a new fuel filter, and we'll see if that was the problem. I think that's the problem anyway, because, well, it just has all the hallmarks, and it was only when I changed the filter out and put a piece of pipe in that she started to go again. So that's what I suspect the issue is. But yeah, so far, my first drive of this car now, she's actually MOT'd and on the road. My first impressions are, my God, don't other people just drive so slow? The fact that you're just trying to get there, you're just trying to get somewhere, so you're out of the way, and people are just like, let's have a little bit of a diver, and it's just ridiculous. So yeah, it's like those people who say that, oh, all old cars hold people up. It's not. It's brand new cars that do, because people don't know how to drive and don't know how to maintain speed, and they just sit there and have a bit of a dither. So yeah, hopefully my mate should be up here with a new fuel filter, and hopefully I'll be on my way again. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping. If they come up here with a new fuel filter, then I'll be on my way. If they don't, and they just find a way to coax the car back to Shifnal, then or just to find, just have a good little look at it, then hopefully I'll be able to go and see my dad tonight, which would be nice. It would be nice to go out for a drink. But yeah, clog filter, so quite clearly the tank is full of rubbish, so I'm going to have to buy a load of fuel filters and just keep changing them whenever they need changing, basically. I think that's the only way forward, because I'm not taking the tank out of this. It looks very involved, so yeah. There are worse places to break down, though it could have been sunny. But yeah. Welcome to Shropshire. And here comes the cavalry, here to save the day. Woohoo! So I brought Annie back up to the garage. She's got a new fuel filter on, but she's started to run rough again. So I've tried tinkering with it as much as I could, but I still can't get her to run right. Tried basically everything I could think of, but I think I'm just going to call it a day. I've got the MOT, she's taxed, so yeah, just need to get her running right, and then I can go out and enjoy it a bit more. So yeah, 14th of March 2019. I am under Annie's rear end, currently draining out the fuel tank, as long as I can get any crud that's out the system. So yeah, I might have to drop the tank today. I've got work today actually later on, but yeah, I just thought while I've got a bit of time, may as well try and fix up the car. Yeah, and this gives us a rare chance to look at the underside of the car and just how minty fresh she's looking at the moment. Looking lovely. The fire's still coming. The fuel's there. The fuel's still coming out of the ferrol trickle. I think it's just starting to die down now, but yeah, a lot more fuel in the tank than I thought, so yeah. Well, hopefully, after I've done this, then she should be a good runner again, hopefully, maybe, we'll see. Well, I got her home, so yeah, today, sorry I didn't film up more of it, but basically I drained the fuel out, filtered it out, and then got the tank off, gave it a good shake, got all the bits out, so I'm happy she's home. And yeah, restoration show next week. I hope she's up to it.